What's good, guys? I'm be going over my weekly recap of the trades that I took. Y'all saw the trades I took. I posted them. I'm just gonna go over my thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Like what I feel and like what I'm expecting or not expecting, but like what I'm gonna try to learn and move forward into next week. Before we do that, I want to start. I'm gonna show you the trade I took today. It's my biggest trade of the week. It was on Roblox. I don't know how you say it. Roblox? Yeah, Roblox. It was a $49 trade. Listen, let me just play it and just walk you through it, like what I'm thinking, because I did record it, but I just wasn't talking, like I was really focused. You feel me? So right here, I see Roblox is reaching that high of 132.40, the pre-market high, and there's a lot of volume coming in, basically. So yeah, so I'm just watching it. I'm gonna try to skip forward a little bit before I get in. So it comes down perfect, like it doesn't shoot right through the what's it called? It comes down. It comes down again. We're really consolidating now. I'm trying to. Oh yeah, this is where I zoom in. So right here, I'm like, okay, it's really prime for a break. It's pushing, but it's not really like aggressive right now. So it's just waiting, just waiting. So I'm here. I'm like, okay. So I load up the Roblox contracts. Um, I don't know if you can see. You'll see the P&L at the top once I get into the trade. So at first we're just waiting. I see the volumes coming in. It did. I almost missed it, but I didn't really get through there. And then I think, when did I get in? I don't know if I got in here or not. I got in at the break of this. You'll see. It should pop up at the bottom. Yeah, you'll see at the top. Oh, I was already in it. But yeah, so yeah, it breaks through. I'm like, okay, bet. Now in this situation, I really don't look at the bids. Um, Level two, I really just look at time and sales now, like to see like how much green we're seeing on the side. Time and sales on the right side right here. So all I'm just seeing is green. Price is printing. Quick look at the volume. Look, if you look at the volume, that hole's going crazy. So I'm like, okay, bet. We're still in this hole. 371. I see it starts to hesitate a little bit. As soon as it comes back down on me, I get out. You can see I closed out the trade. But yeah, I really moved fast, but the contract stayed up for some reason. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade. And then I took another trade on Apple, but I did not record it. It was I thought I was gonna be done for the day, but I didn't record it. But yeah, so this is my basically my weekly P&L. These are all the trades I took this week. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Like I only took 4 red trades, and they weren't even. My biggest loser was $16. My risk reward was a 3.5 R week. Basically, like the average. So the average profit divided by the average loss over this week. So you know what I'm saying. I made 177, lost 29, 63 win percentage. Yeah, man, it was a really good week. If you look at the journal, just to talk about how things went. Let me see, where does this start? So November 15th was Monday. Was it Monday? Yeah, November 15th was Monday. So I had one good Apple trade for 8%. It was a lot of size though. It was a good Apple trade. It broke out. I usually write down like I honestly don't even remember this trade. But waited for a pattern. It broke out. Took profits. Called it a day. I remember this Baba trade. I was really waiting for a Baba breakout, but it never happened. And then I got out right before it flushed. This Apple trade, I do remember this. So I caught a high. It was a 13% trade. It was a pretty good trade. I wasn't even mad about this one. Yesterday was a really iffy day. Like I took some, like this Microsoft loss. It was a good pattern, but like I didn't really wait for the trade to set up perfectly. But it was alright. QQQ. This was just a dumb trade. I was bored, and talking about emotional. You feel me? Whatever the case may be. These two Apple trades were good setups. I really don't care much about the winners necessarily. It's about like how you manage like risk of like the losers. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause if I can control my losers, my winners, like if the times I win, it's gonna be some 22, 16%, 18%. You know what I'm saying? Once I start taking more size, bigger profits. Like this Apple trade was beautiful. I didn't even. It was a 120 $120. Of what's it called? The contracts made me 22. Roblox trade, as you just saw, and then I had two bad ones, bro. Like they weren't necessarily bad. It's just I shouldn't have taken them. But I did size down. It was not a lot of size. Like I've learned, like okay, if you're gonna get into bad trades, not really bad trades, but like not high probability trades, lower probability, just size down a lot. Like imagine taking a 7% hit on like $250 worth of contracts. That's crazy. But you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, man. End of the week off good. Yeah, I can't ask for nothing better, man. For the month, if you guys were wondering, this has been my best month. Matter of fact, so far, I'm green. Finally, my first green month. The month hasn't ended though, but started out bad, like rough. I think my trading turned on after this day. Like started out bad, down 77. Brought it back up 112. You feel me? So we gonna look to keep it going. Try to. I don't really have a money goal. It's just I just want to stay green for the rest of the month. See how things go, man. See y'all now.